Hello, Michael. How are you? Hi, Jackie. I'm alright. What about you? I'm absolutely fine. Where are you today, Michael? I am at home. Where should I be? What? You are at home? Then why didn't you open the door for me? I waited in front of your home for 20 minutes. Really? I didn't know that. I rang the bell many times, but you didn't open the door. But I didn't hear anything. Did you miss the ringing of the bell? Oh, I got it. Maybe I was taking shower. You came here about 6 o'clock, right? Exactly. You said that you were at home, so I came over. I'm sorry. I even called you. You know, I was taking a shower, so I didn't know that you called me. Oh, Jackie, you meet again. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Are you following me? No way, you are so funny. Don't worry, I am just kidding. But you have been seeing each other accidentally today. Right, today we have met 3 times, right? No, dear, we have met each other 4 times today. Really? Yeah, the first time we were meet at the mall. After that, we were meet at the park. Yeah, I saw you there. You were walking with your brother. Yeah, we were walking for refreshment of our mind and body. And we were also meet at the library when we went there. Of course, you are right. But how can we meet each other all the day like that? Maybe it's destiny.